a lot easier using templates. Believe it or not, I used to try and make metal up to fit the bit I was fixing by kind of roughly estimating what size I need, then chopping it and trying it up, fisting it up again, and this cuts time down a lot. It's brilliant, but I don't know why I never thought of this before. But I've done it for a couple of years now anyway. Saves a lot of time. Right, so that's this one. Right, so I'm going to cut out the wee daft bits first. This is annoying, but this is really small, so hopefully I can get this one cut, the remains of that disc. This bit's, oh, wait a minute, cut this end bit off from the side. Right, I think I need a new disc. I think I cut a wee bit over the top with that one, but actually no, it's alright. No, it's fine. Just scribe that again, just make sure I'm in the right place. it's tire lip discs I use are quite good. Cutting other stuff. Right, next bit. That was tight. It felt a bit right. So that's the other bit cut off. So I'll just tidy them up anyway. So that one, which is that template there. That one, the other ones I've got are, some of them I've already put on. Obviously that one as well, that one. So that one to make. That was the chassis leg one there. I made up template there. One, that was a couple other ones that I made up. It's already been done, already put on the car. Bulkhead repair, it was one of the first ones. Chassis leg, that was the top. Strut tower, which I done. That was the other. No, that wasn't strut tower, it was somewhere else. But yeah, that's kind of the ones I'd made up. Right. That's the chassis leg. Fair enough. So that's me. Just cut them up. I'll need to clean these up now. Obviously the reason I tidy them up is because, well, one, you don't want all these, you want these razor sharp edges when you're working with the metal. Just tidy it up as well, it makes it look better. And these, as I said, these edges can be pretty lethal if you're actually sanding it, like, buffing it down and it jumps. You can really watch. You just got to be careful. Yeah. But you want to get rid of them, you know, because he catches you and stuff and cuts into you. It's sore and bad.